Here's a quick video of the Yamaha Fazer 700 that I recently completed a resto on it. It's got 7,763 miles. May go up just slightly if I take it around the block just to keep things going, but truly runs and rides like a brand new bike. Everything has been updated and new, replaced, new, basically repainted, repolished, literally from the frame up. The exhaust on it is the original exhaust, but it was meaty blasted and ceramic coated. Should last for quite a few years. I did warm it up earlier. Kind of keeps everything good to go. The carbs are totally redone. They're the BDS 34s, just like on the FZX700. Airbox is kind of unique on this. It's got the double cradle tank. But that's good to go with the K&N air filter. It's rejetted to match. Went through, set all the valve clearances, even though it's only 7,700 miles and they call for that interval of 26,000. Got to make sure it's good to go before doing any tuning on it. Only a couple slightly out, so that's all set. And I've got a spreadsheet that shows the installed shims, the clearances, mileage, so you can use that as a reference. Keep an eye on things down the road. Exhaust is kind of quiet, stealthy in a way. Bike is rather quick. Actually, it was considered one of the quickest bikes under 1,000 cc's back in the mid-'80s. Definitely no slouch. Nice that it's got a 29.5-inch seat height, center stand, if you like that, so you can do your chain maintenance. HH pads for the brakes. Of course, it's got stainless lines. Everything's rebuilt on it too. Make sure it's good. Hope you like it.